The Misadventures of Billiam Horse. Turbo. One day, Billiam Horse was training in his back garden, punching a punching bag wearing boxing gloves. "Why are you training, Billiam?" "Well, it's just that there's a new threat from a terrorist, and I'm getting ready to fight him." The name of the terrorist was Roy Bison. All he was a head that someone had stapled a cherry to. The main problem was that he'd invented a machine that looked like a cuckoo clock, but instead of a cuckoo, it had a magnet on it that was wearing a sombrero that came in and out on the hour. The magnet was capable of attracting raisins, toasters, anything with the word rice on it, and even Wayne Rooney. Eventually, a ball of all those items had formed. Roy Bison was one step closer to world domination. Billiam Horse was still training. Now he was punching a smaller punching bag. When suddenly there was a knock on his door. "Who could that be, Billiam?" Billiam answered and was greeted by his friend, Ryan Carton. Ryan Carton couldn't speak on account of the fact that his bottom jaw was an iron. He also had 2 bike pedals on his head. Ryan had to speak telepathically. "Billiam, he's here. Roy Bison, he's outside. You must do something." "Consider it done," said Billiam Horse. Roy Bison was outside. A storm was raging in the air. The 2 adversaries stared each other down, even though Roy Bison didn't actually have any eyes. Within moments, Billiam Horse had made the first strike. He punched Roy Bison directly square in the face, knocking his cherry straight off the front, because it was only held on by staples. Billiam waited. However, his foe never stood up. He had won. Then Ryan Carton saw the machine and dived on top of it, crushing it under his iron. The world was safe again. Roy Bison had been defeated. Or had he? To be continued.